What is up, everybody? It's Parker with BI Elite. This is just a quick announcement video to let you know about something that you may already know about. As you may know, since you're watching this channel, we run training.bielite.com, and hopefully that's your one-stop shop for Power BI training. It's our mission to create the best possible learning experience for you to learn Power BI as quickly as possible. And besides just our on-demand video training content, we like to provide you with other things to aid in your Power BI journey. Most notably, we offer our live dataset offering, and in this video, we're going to talk about how those might help you learn Power BI a little bit faster and help you grow your Power BI report portfolio. When I was first learning Power BI, I was trying to build reports on data I found on the internet. Every now and then I'd find a good Excel file or CSV file full of transaction data or some other type of cool sports data, and it was fun to visualize. But the issue with that was that data was static. For example, if I found a CSV in 2017 and built a report in 2017, all that data would always show data from 2017. Now that it's 2021, that report began to feel a little bit stale. So if you're building your Power BI portfolio, maybe to show to friends or potential employers, pulling from a live data set will help ensure that your reports will continue to feel fresh. So real quick, I'm going to take you over to where you can find these live data sets. It's at training.bielite.com/datasets. We currently offer 3 live data sets. So these 3 data sets that we're currently offering, an email marketing data set, a Google Analytics data set, and a YouTube data set, these all contain real life data, my own data actually, so my own MailChimp data, my own Google Analytics data, my own YouTube channel data. All this data is stored in a separate database for each one of these, and they're updated hourly. That's what makes it live. So if you build your report and set up scheduled refreshes or set up to use direct query, the data is going to consistently flow into your reports and continue to feel fresh. On top of that, if you want to practice time intelligence calculations such as month to date or year to date or year over year calculations, you can do so with this data set because it'll continue to have that new month to date data that'll fit that calculation. And lastly, another story about my Power BI journey. I remember wondering how to even connect to a SQL database. I remember being unsure how I would do that in a work setting. So that's another benefit of this. You can actually pull from a live SQL database and get some practice connecting to a database, entering in your credentials, pulling that data, practicing query folding to make sure that you are pulling it in the most optimal way possible. Just things that might not be applicable to Excel files or maybe data found on the web. So yeah, those are the 3 main benefits of why I hope this is going to be helpful for you. As you can probably see with these banners, this is free for all training subscribers. If you have a monthly plan or you've bought the lifetime access for our training because you like our on-demand training content, this is all free for you to help you maybe learn Power BI faster, help you build your portfolio, all the things we've talked about in this video. We'll be continuing to add data sets as they come in. I have other data sources that I'd like to make my data flow into these live data sets and continue to offer them to you guys. So yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments. I hope y'all get a lot of use out of them. I hope y'all are as psyched about this as I am, and I will see you in the next video.